Alright, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money as an affiliate marketer using Pinterest. And trust me, this is one of the most overlooked platforms out there for affiliate marketing. I'll be walking you through 6 or 7 key steps, breaking down everything you need to know, how to get started, what strategies work best, which affiliate programs to focus on, and some game-changing tips to help you succeed. So if you're serious about making money on Pinterest, grab a notebook, take some notes, because I guarantee there's at least 1 or 2 golden nuggets in here that could change the game for you. And just so you know, this is completely free information. I'm not selling you a course, I'm not asking you to buy anything. You can take what I'm about to show you and start right away without spending a dime. I've been doing affiliate marketing for almost a decade across different platforms, and I've learned what works and what doesn't. So, if you're ready, let's dive right in. Now, you might be wondering, why use Pinterest for affiliate marketing? There are so many platforms out there, blogs, Instagram, YouTube. So what makes Pinterest so special? Well, let's talk numbers. Pinterest has over 500 million monthly active users. That's more than the entire population of the US. And yet, most marketers completely overlook it. What's even more interesting is that Pinterest users are actively searching for things to buy. Unlike other social media platforms where people just scroll for entertainment, Pinterest is more like a search engine. People come here looking for ideas, inspiration, and products to purchase. Oh, and one more thing. It's heavily skewed toward female users, which means if you're targeting an audience in niches like fashion, home decor, health, or beauty, you're already in a prime spot to make money. Now that we've covered why Pinterest is a goldmine, let's get into how to actually start making money with it. Step 1. Choosing the right niche. Picking the right niche is critical because it determines how much success you'll have. Now, when most people think of Pinterest, they think of things like fashion, recipes, or home decor. And while those are great, they're also super competitive. Instead, I recommend finding a niche that has demand, but isn't completely saturated. Think about topics you're passionate about, because creating content is way easier when you actually enjoy the subject. For this tutorial, I'll use gardening as an example. Gardening has millions of passionate followers looking for tips, tools, and products. Plus, I personally love gardening, which makes it easier for me to create content around it. Your niche doesn't have to be gardening. It could be camping, fitness, DIY projects, personal finance, tech gadgets, literally anything. The key is to start with one niche, build authority, and then expand later if you want to. Quick reality check. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. If you think you'll be making $20,000 in your first month, I hate to break it to you, but that's not how this works. It takes time to grow. In the first month, you might make $0, then maybe $100 the next month. And a year or 2 down the line, you could be making thousands of dollars per month. It's all about consistency. Step 2. Finding affiliate products to promote. Now that we have a niche, let's talk about how to find products to promote. This is important because you want to choose products first and then create content around them. One of the easiest ways to get started is through Amazon Associates. This program lets you earn commissions on any Amazon product you refer. If someone clicks your link and buys anything on Amazon within 24 hours, you get paid. Amazon pays between 1% and 8% in commissions, depending on the product category. For example, gardening products fall in a higher commission range, which makes it a solid option. But Amazon isn't your only choice. Many companies have their own independent affiliate programs that pay even more. A simple trick? Google your niche plus affiliate program and see what pops up. For example, if you search best gardening affiliate programs, you'll find tons of brands offering way higher commissions than Amazon. Some brands pay 25% or more per sale, which is a huge jump compared to Amazon's 4 to 8%. Step 3. Setting up your website. Before you can join most affiliate programs, you'll need a website. This is super important. Even if your main focus is Pinterest, having a website makes you look professional and allows you to apply for more exclusive affiliate programs. The easiest way to create a website? Squarespace. It's beginner-friendly, looks professional, and takes less than an hour to set up. When you build your website, make sure to grab matching social media handles. Your Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter should all have the same name as your brand. This makes you look more legitimate. Step 4. Creating your Pinterest account. Now that we have our niche, affiliate products, and website, it's time to set up your Pinterest account properly. First, convert your account to a business account. This gives you access to analytics, insights, and ad tools, all things that will help you grow. Once that's done, You'll want to create a profile picture, a logo, and a banner. Use Canva to design these quickly. It's free and super easy to use. Step 5. Creating high-quality pins. Now for the fun part, creating pins. Pinterest is all about visual content, so you'll want eye-catching designs that grab people's attention. A good strategy is to create at least a dozen boards, each with 20 to 30 pins to start. This helps build credibility on your account. Use Canva to create your pins. It has tons of Pinterest templates you can customize. For example, if I'm promoting gardening tools, I could create a pin that says, "Top 5 gardening tools every beginner needs," and link it to a blog post with affiliate links. Step 6. Optimizing your pins for search. Pinterest is a search engine, so keywords matter. When you create pins, make sure your titles and descriptions are keyword-rich. For example, instead of just saying "best tomato seeds," you could write "the 5 best tomato varieties for home gardening. Easy to grow and delicious." The more keywords you include naturally, the more likely your pins will show up when people search for related topics. Step 7. Posting consistently without getting banned. A big mistake beginners make is posting too much too fast. If you start spamming Pinterest with hundreds of pins per day, it can trigger spam filters and hurt your account. Instead, start slow. Post a few pins per day, then gradually increase. Over time, you'll see which types of pins perform best, and you can double down on those. And that's it. That's exactly how you can start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.